हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम टू द चैनल। इस वीडियो में आई डिस्कस एन इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग जो बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स के सामने आता है ये क्वेश्चन एंड इट अफेक्ट्स प्रिपरेशन ऑफ सो मेनी स्टूडेंट्स राइट। बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स सीरियसली प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करते हैं बट देन सम हाउ वो डिस्ट्रैक्ट होके दे एंड अप not performing well in the exams, right? So in this video I'll discuss what are the top causes of getting distracted and how you can overcome those distractions. And I tell you, आपके एग्जाम के लिए if you ask me what is the number one tool by which you can improve your performance, what is the number one tip by which you can improve your reading skills, your writing skills, your exam giving skills, and ultimately your scores and the place where you land up? That's your focus. आपका focus powerful होगा, your memory, your retention, your creativity, your critical analysis of things will be markedly different than अगर आप distracted रहो, आप सेम टाइम पे पढ़ाई करो, सेम टाइम पे मल्टीटास्किंग करके कुछ और भी करो, योर अल्टीमेट परफॉर्मेंस विल बी अफेक्टेड. सो व्हाई डू यू गेट डिस्ट्रैक्टेड? ओके, द नंबर वन थिंग दैट आई बिलीव इज आपको वो टास्क बोरिंग लगता है या तो बहुत ही मुश्किल लगता है. अगर आप नीट की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो, नीट पीजी की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो, INI-CT की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो, और इवन फॉर दैट मैटर DM एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो, इफ यू फील द सब्जेक्ट बिफोर यू इज बोरिंग यू विल बी इजीली डिस्ट्रैक्टेड, है ना? और इफ यू फील सम सब्जेक्ट इज वेरी हार्ड, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मे बी एनिमल किंगडम, प्लांट किंगडम इन बायोलॉजी बहुत ही मुश्किल है याद करना, or maybe inorganic chemistry, the sequences of different, the reactivities of different metals and all that stuff, बहुत मुश्किल है याद रखना, right? It's hard, so you tend to get distracted, है ना, by a more fancy thing. So that's one reason why you get distracted. Second is that we live in an era of digital distractions. सबके पास मोबाइल है, सबके पास iPad है, लैपटॉप है, और ये सारी डिवाइसेस में सब एप्लीकेशंस हैं. यू हैव यूट्यूब, यू हैव फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम एंड मेनी अदर, इवन ईमेल, जीमेल एंड सो फोर्थ. यू नो, आजकल तो लोग दे वेयर एप्पल वॉच. यू नो व्हाई? द रीज़न व्हाई आई डोंट वेयर वन is not that I cannot afford, obviously, but the fact that I don't want to have a device on my wrist that's going to distract me every second. कभी WhatsApp की notification, कभी YouTube की notification. So this is one, probably the most important reason why you get distracted. आप पढ़ रहे हो, साथ में phone है, and the phone notifies XYZ liked your photo, XYZ commented on your video, right? See, that's not important for your study purposes. Okay, it's okay to view those notifications in your leisure time, but not in your prime time, है ना? So we live in a world of dramatic digital distractions, and this is the topmost reason why students fail in exams. This is why students don't perform up to their potential, right? And third is you probably don't know how to focus. See, human brain is designed to be distracted. आप अर्ली ह्यूमंस को देखो, उनका दिमाग ही वैसे बनाया था कि इजीली डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो जाए. क्यों? बिकॉज उनको फूड का सर्च करना है, उनको वाइल्ड एनिमल्स से बचना है, सो दे शुड बी इजीली डिस्ट्रैक्टेड. जो ही कुछ डेंजर आए, दे शुड बी डिस्ट्रैक्टेड बाय दैट, दे शुड इजीली सेव देमसेल्व्स. Because it's not about reading a book. आपका brain बनाया गया है to save your life in the first place, right? So it's easy to be distracted, and it's logical as well. आप देखो कितना आसान है distract होना versus कितना difficult है focus करना. So I tell you, if you're easily distracted, it's because you haven't learned how to focus. I've said this in a previous video as well. अगर आपको बॉडी बिल्डर बनना है तो आपको जिम करना पड़ेगा, है ना? अगर आपको एक म्यूजिशियन बनना है, आपको म्यूजिक सीखना पड़ेगा. अगर आपको एग्जाम क्रैक करना है, और वो भी एक बहुत ही अच्छे रैंक से, ऑल इंडिया रैंक 1 फॉर एग्जाम्पल लाना है, यू हैव टू हैव फोकस. आपको फोकस की प्रैक्टिस करनी है ना, राइट? सो नाउ यू नो दैट these are the reasons why we mostly get distracted. One, you either feel it's boring or it's very hard, or you have those digital distractions, your mobile, your tablet, your laptop giving you notifications, or third, you probably don't know how to focus, right? तो how do we overcome these distractions? आप कैसे overcome करेंगे इन problems को and get yourself in the right place, the right rank, the right college, the right degree. Maybe you want to become a doctor and join MBBS. Maybe you want to become an engineer. Maybe you want to become some other professional, right? How do you overcome these distractions? Number one, make your task interesting. देखो, I understand things may be hard, but you can, sort of construct a game. If you're remembering drugs of pharmacology, for example, okay, it's a big list. I used to find it hard, but you know what? आप ऐसा सोचो. You imagine a clinical picture. ऐसा मरीज है, उसको ऐसी clinical picture होगी. मैं ऐसे diagnosis बनाऊंगा, फिर उसमें ये drug काम में आएगा. So in a way, it became sort of a puzzle that you had to crack with this drug. एक बीमारी को diagnose किया, वो drug से treat किया. Rather than just remembering the lists and the names of these drugs. So make it sort of a game. आप NEET UG की preparation कर रहे हो, you're finding it difficult to remember some classification in biology or maybe some sequence of elements or some compounds in inorganic chemistry. उसको game जैसा बनाओ, right? I want to remember all this in 10 minutes and करके दिखाओ, right? The second thing I tell you, जैसे आप वीडियो गेम खेलते हो, यू नेवर लूज फोकस देयर. आपको एनिमी को एलिमिनेट करना ही होता है वीडियो गेम में. यू नेवर लूज फोकस. आप गेम तभी एंड करते हो व्हेन यू किल दैट एनिमी, राइट? सो एंड देन देयर इज अ डिफरेंट लैप. ऐसे ही करके यू कैन मेक लैप्स इन योर स्टडीज, राइट? ओके, दिस इज a 1 hour lap. I'm going to do this portion of biology. वो खत्म किया, your lap is complete. You sort of activate a reward system. आपके दिमाग के अंदर dopamine release हो जाता है. You feel happy. हाँ, एक lap थी, वो मैंने complete कर दी. I'm going to go and do a different lap, Okay. The third thing is, देखो, आपको कोई चीज़ interesting तब लगेगी जब वो उसकी importance आपको दिमाग में clear हो जाए. If you're preparing for NEET UG, you know how important your time is because your work right now, your focus right now, your attention right now, your preparation right now will make a difference in future. You may land up in a medical college as a doctor, or you may land up somewhere else. So that's the importance of your time. Know why your studies are important. Second thing is stay away from distractions. कभी भी अपने पढ़ाई के समय don't keep your mobile phone by your side. Your table should not be like the one on this figure. आप देखो, लैपटॉप भी वहीं पे है, मोबाइल भी वहीं पे, न्यूज़पेपर भी वहीं पे. देखो, मोबाइल, लैपटॉप, न्यूज़पेपर का कोई रोल नहीं आपके टेबल पे. कीप इट अवे. स्टे अवे फ्रॉम डिस्ट्रैक्शंस. Keep your mobile phone in silent mode or aeroplane mode, do not disturb mode. I tell you, when I was preparing for my DM exams, for about a year, I deleted all my social media things. Most of the times my phone would be on do not disturb mode. Nobody will be able to reach me except my parents, जिनको मैंने accept list में रखा था, है ना? So such things. For example, if you're reading, keep your phone away from your desk, maybe in another room. It's as simple as that. Keep your mobile phone in another room, or maybe you keep your phone in the room, go to a library for studying, but stay away from distractions. That is number one game-changing move that you can do right now, right today. Okay? Then your environment. देखो, अगर आपका रूम मेसी है, आपका टेबल मेसी है, आपकी टेबल पे हज़ारों चीज़ें हैं, आपके रूम में हज़ारों चीज़ें हैं, you got a couple of roommates, it is very difficult to focus in that room. तो इसका सोल्यूशन है, यू कैन गो टू ए लाइब्रेरी. लाइब्रेरीज आर एवरीवेयर. आपके कॉलेज में, आपके स्कूल में लाइब्रेरीज होंगी. यू कैन यूटिलाइज दोज लाइब्रेरीज, और इफ यू हैव ऑप्शन, यू कैन प्रिपेयर एन आइडियल स्टडी टेबल एट योर होम. व्हाट्स एन आइडियल स्टडी टेबल? इट डजंट हैव टू बी अ कॉस्टली वन. इट इज़ अ मिनिमलिस्टिक टेबल, राइट? आपकी बुक्स हो, आपके सामने आपका टाइम टेबल हो, यू हैव फ्यू पेन्स, दैट्स ऑल, और आप हो. ओके? So there should be no phones in your study room. You should preferably study in isolation in a library. एक bubble of focus होना चाहिए आपके around. आपका focus उस bubble में आपकी books के साथ है. You're not worried about the world outside. Okay? That's very important. And third thing, it is prioritizing and time blocking. मैं repeatedly mention करता हूँ इनका अपने videos में, but this is so important. I want every single student to know this. आप जो चीज़ prioritize करोगे, वो चीज़ होगी. Things that get prioritized are the things that get done. जो चीज़ आपके priority list में नहीं है, वो चीज़ नहीं होगी. So abhi ke abhi, on a daily basis, make the things that are high priority. You know, you want to do this chapter today, you want to do this part of your subject today. Okay, then so there are some low priority tasks. Maybe you want to contact some of your friend, that's a low priority task if at all. Okay, maybe you want to spend half an hour playing cricket, that's okay, low priority task, whatever it is. But you have to know your high priority tasks, keep them at the top of your list, they will get done, definitely they will get done in the day, right? And the second technique is time blocking. What does that mean? आपने अपने tasks को prioritize कर लिया. Your number one priority is, for example, NEET preparation, and then you will block time. You will block, for example, just an example, 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. for a particular activity. 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. I'm reading NCERT biology. No matter what happens in world, these 3 hours are for NCERT biology, right? And that's why I encourage you to wake up early. Keep a block in the early morning hours. So उसमें बहुत ही कम distraction होती है. Most of the world is sleeping. Maybe rest of your family members will be sleeping. Okay, so keep blocks, time blocks, where you practice focus. 3-hour time blocks. आप कुछ नहीं सोचोगे, आप फोन का स्क्रीन नहीं देखोगे. You won't attend to calls. You won't attend to your emails. You will just study. By practicing this, you will not only improve your focus, your exam performance, but you will become a much stronger personality in your future life as well. After all, it's not just about cracking an exam. NEET cross kiya, then you'll have to join MBBS, right? That is even more difficult, right? If you have this power of focus, you will outperform other competitors wherever you go. Okay, I hope the contents of this video would be useful to most of the students. And in fact, I know most of my subscribers are students. I would encourage more of you to come and join the channel, and where my goal will be to provide tips, tricks, and many other helpful material for students. Thank you.